Most people who scrape Medium get blank pages without realizing it. They send a request, get back a 200 OK, and think they've got the article. Wrong. What they actually got is an empty shell. By the end of this video, I'll show you the exact setup that works, how to stay invisible to Cloudflare, how to verify you're not getting blocked, and how to grab 2 gigabytes of free proxies. Quick context. Medium hosts millions of technical articles, opinion pieces, industry analysis, and people scrape it for 3 real use cases: content and trend research, which topics gain traction across tags like machine learning, DevOps, cybersecurity, author and publication monitoring, and clean text for NLP training datasets. Here's the trap. Medium isn't a static website. It's a React app. When you first load it, the server sends you basically empty HTML, just the skeleton. Then JavaScript runs in your browser, fills in the actual title, body text, claps, and responses. A simple HTTP scraper? It sees the skeleton and never sees the content. Plus, Medium has Cloudflare watching your behavior. Hit too many requests too fast, use identical headers every time, never persist cookies. That's a bot fingerprint. And Medium will either block you or serve you fake 200 responses. You've got 3 options. 1, plain requests and beautiful soup. Fast, cheap, works for directory pages, but won't get you full article text. 2, curl CFFI with TLS impersonation, when Cloudflare flags your TLS as suspicious. 3, a real browser via GoLogin, when you need fully rendered articles with engagement data. We're going with option 3 because that's where Medium actually opens up. Your scraper behavior gives you away faster than your IP. Here's what Medium sees from a bot: 50 requests per minute from the same IP, no persistent cookies, identical headers, no random delays. That's not a user pattern, that's a machine. An anti-detect browser like GoLogin spoofs your entire fingerprint: canvas, WebGL, fonts, audio context, hardware signals. And it runs multiple isolated profiles, each with its own proxy. So you can pull articles from several profiles simultaneously without cross-contamination. This is where we show GoLogin in action. Open GoLogin, click Add Profile. Name it Medium-Research-01. Don't manually set time zone or language. GoLogin auto-configures from your proxy IP. Go to Proxy Settings, paste your datacenter proxy credentials, click Check Proxy. Green means it's live. Click Run, and Orbita opens with your spoofed fingerprint. Now, here's the step everyone skips. Open ip.com in a new tab. You want green across the board. IP class clean, fingerprint consistent, no WebRTC leak, time zone matches your proxy. This matters because even Cloudflare's light layer reads TLS fingerprints. Green IP equals invisible. Red means you'll start seeing challenge pages. Then test 1 Medium article. Real content rendering, title visible, claps loaded, good. If you see a skeleton, repeating placeholder elements, empty body, that's the lazy load problem. Your scrape fired before hydration finished. Add a wait for signal on an element that proves the page is alive, like the claps counter, and add 2 to 3 seconds of randomized delay between requests. A content researcher built an NLP corpus from machine learning Medium articles. They scraped 2,000 URLs in 40 minutes, all 200 OK. Dataset looked clean. Then they ran a basic text length check. 70% of their articles were under 500 characters. They'd scraped the skeleton on every single one because they never waited for hydration. Their dataset was unusable. A wait for clap signal plus randomized spacing would have saved them the rerun. Claps, responses count, reading time, all client-side. Need wait for. Title, body, author name, server rendered. Fine on first paint. Quick tactical detail. Medium's class names change between deployments. Build extraction logic that handles missing fields without crashing, and log selector failures so you spot a front-end change before your pipeline ships garbage. Memorize these. If 429, cut concurrency, add delays, rotate IPs. If 200 OK but skeleton body, lazy load, add wait for. If Cloudflare flags you, switch to TLS impersonation or GoLogin. If content looks identical across URLs, soft block, slow down, rotate IP class. Myth 1. Plain requests gets you everything. False. It gets you directory pages. Article body needs JavaScript. Myth 2. Datacenter proxies don't work. False. Medium doesn't aggressively filter by IP type, so datacenter is actually cost-effective. Myth 3. HTTP 200 means you succeeded. False. 200 means the request completed, not that you got content. Always validate with a length check. Medium is a React SPA. Skeleton on first paint, content after hydration. Use GoLogin with datacenter proxies, verify IP nay green. Wait for real elements before extracting. Randomized delays, handle class name volatility. If you want to replicate this setup and grab 2 GB of free proxies, click the link below. If you want to replicate this Medium scraping setup, click my link in the description or the pinned comment. You'll get 2 GB of free proxies to start scraping right away, plus 40% off your GoLogin plan. Both deals are waiting for you down below. Links in the description.